Welcome. The next webinar in the Genomics and Clinical Practice series is titled Pre-Implantation Genetic Diagnosis and Testing. This program will include an introduction and program overview. Followed by a talk on next-generation sequencing in the evolution of prenatal screening by Dr. Anthony Gregg. That'll be followed by a talk by Dr. Jolie Simpson on pre-implantation genetic diagnosis for chromosomal and single-gene disorders, followed by a talk by Dr. Ronald Wapner on lessons learned from the introduction of microarrays into prenatal diagnosis. This will then be followed by a talk on the interpretation of genomic testing results by Dr. Bruce Korf. CME credit is provided for this webinar series. This webinar is freely available for viewing. A small CME certificate fee is required to obtain CME credit for the viewing of this program. Please note on your program evaluation form that this has impacted your practice and the number of hours you're requesting. 6 months after the CME event, you will receive an email with a brief summary of the webinar and a case-based vignette. Questions about the vignette will be used to monitor long-term impact on acquired knowledge.